Right, so how I use dating apps to market my YouTube channel. Now, it all started when I got banned from Tinder. Tinder banned me because I was trying to market my YouTube channel and I was basically spamming women. I was sending them a link to my YouTube channel saying, check out my YouTube channel. Some women probably got jealous and they flagged me, and then I got some kind of community strike, and then they removed me from Tinder completely. So I thought, like, damn, I can't use Tinder to promote my YouTube channel. So what else can I do? Well, there are other dating apps, Badoo, Plenty of Fish. So the first one I signed up to was Badoo. Put my YouTube channel is XYZ in the bio, but I wasn't going to start spamming because I didn't want to get banned again. So I used Badoo, signed up to Plenty of Fish, and I started signing up to all of them. Like, when I say all of them, I mean all of them. Adult, Friend Finder, Eurodate, Hinge, all of them. So started doing that, and then I'd get random messages. Oh, I checked out your YouTube channel. I don't agree with this, or I like this and stuff. So at least it was working. Women were actually going to my YouTube channel because obviously they're seeing this face and they want to investigate some more, right? And it actually worked out quite well because some girl actually came and slid up in my DMs. Like, I'm actually seeing a girl now because I think, what dating app was it? Christian Connect. I signed up to Christian Connect. Listen, I also signed up to single Muslims or something like that. Listen, I signed up to Christian Connect, yeah? Listen, I've never even picked up a Bible and read it before, but I signed up to Christian Connect. And I think the girl must have seen it. And then obviously, so she's seen the bio and she's gone on to my YouTube channel. Probably liked what she saw. I don't know if she tried to hit me up on the Christian Connect, but after I made these accounts, I just removed the app from my phone. So it's going to be like kind of like a static dating profile. I never use it, but it's just there in cyberspace. I don't know if you don't use an account for 6 months, then maybe they will delete your account. I don't know how the dating apps work. So anyway, she might have tried to message me on the dating app, but obviously I haven't seen it to respond. So then obviously she comes slid up in my DM, and I started seeing it from that. So it worked out that way. And it reminds me of, I don't know where you guys live, but obviously I'm from London, yeah? And if you drive around certain places in London, you will see cars parked up on the side of the road and they never move, right? You will see some old beaten up Ford car or Ford KA, yeah? And it will have a sign on top of it saying junk and disorderly. What that person has done is they bought an old beaten up car that doesn't cost anything. They've put a junk and disorderly sign on it. So they're basically advertising their business, which is like a removal company, let's say. Because it's cheaper to have a stationary car that's worth about £2, right? Or let's say £200-300, right? Stationary car with an advert on top of it, and pay some cheap, £60 insurance, because the person's probably going to be an older person with like a good driving history. So they're probably paying £60 a year, maybe £60 per year, maybe, £300 per year, right? To advertise a vehicle. To put an advert out there. So it's really cost effective. So they leave the car at the side of the road with a sign on top that's advertising their business. That's basically what I'm doing, but the cyberspace version. So I've got a dating app account, I've got a dating profile, and I've just put a link, or at least my YouTube channel name, and I allow my face to draw traffic to my YouTube channel. So probably get a few hits here and there, but it's better than nothing. Remember, these dating apps are free. They're free, so take advantage of them. Especially if you've got a good looking face like this, take advantage of them. But I really do think outside the box. Like, how could I think to just sign up to all these different dating apps, make profiles, and just delete their accounts just for the sake of driving traffic to my YouTube channel? But like, that's the entrepreneur's mindset. Like, you think outside the box, even if it's like, crazy or whatever. But no, I will succeed. I'm determined to succeed. I will find a way, I'm telling you. If you like the video, subscribe. If you don't like the video, change your station.